Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Welcome to our journey through the enchanting world of fungi. Today we're diving deep into the mysterious realms of mushrooms and their underground network called mycelium. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible organisms that play a vital role in our ecosystems. What are fungi? Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are fungi? Well, they're a unique group of living beings that are neither plants nor animals. They have their own special characteristics that make them stand out in the natural world. Let's explore more. Role of fungi in ecosystems. Fungi, believe it or not, are like nature's recyclers. They're experts at breaking down old, decaying matter, turning it into valuable nutrients for the environment. But that's not all. Fungi also have a special friendship with plants. It's called mycorrhizae, where they help plants grow strong and healthy. Mushrooms. Now let's talk about mushrooms, those fascinating structures you might have seen in the woods. They're like the flowers of the fungal world, but with a twist. Mushrooms have a cap, gills, stem, and they're all connected to something called mycelium. Let's unravel the mysteries of their anatomy. Life cycle of mushrooms. Ever wondered how mushrooms come to life? It's quite the journey. It all starts with tiny, invisible spores. These little warriors embark on a mission, germinating into something called mycelium, and when conditions are just right, boom, that's when mushrooms pop up. Edible and medicinal mushrooms. All right, foodies, this one's for you. We're diving into the delicious world of edible mushrooms. From the familiar button mushrooms to the exotic oyster mushrooms, there's a whole array of flavors waiting to be explored. And guess what? Some mushrooms aren't just tasty, they also have special powers that can benefit our health. Mycelium. Now let's journey underground to discover mycelium, the hidden hero of the fungal world. Think of it as nature's internet, a vast network connecting trees and plants, sharing nutrients and information. It's like a bustling city beneath our feet. Extraordinary adaptations. Hold on tight, because we're about to uncover some mind-blowing adaptations. We'll meet bioluminescent fungi that light up the night, parasitic fungi with intriguing lifestyles, and even fungi that play the role of nature's janitors. These creatures are full of surprises. Human applications of fungi. Did you know that fungi have been our partners for centuries? They've been used in cooking, medicine, and even in industries like brewing and farming. From antibiotics to cheese making, fungi are the unsung heroes behind many of our favorite things. Conservation and ethical considerations. But, and this is important, we need to be mindful of our fungal friends. Some species are facing challenges, and it's up to us to protect them. And there you have it, our incredible journey through the world of fungi. I hope you're leaving here with a newfound appreciation for these amazing organisms. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow nature lovers. Until next time, keep exploring and keep appreciating the wonders of the natural world.